Hi and salam sejahtera to everyone. I am Madam Tiong and this is Miss Quinisa and Madam Emilia. We are from KOLEJ VOKASIONAL SIBU. Today, we would like to introduce and present our product, that is TR Board version 2. It is an innovation of application of constructivism learning in exploring the surface area formulas. The objectives of TR Board version 2 innovation are: Number 1, help students to understand the concept of surface area through exploration and discovery activities. 2, to help students to master the skill in solving surface area questions accurately. Number 3, to create an active learning environment where students can explore the formula of surface area through hands-on activities. And lastly, to attract students onto STEM, especially on science, technology, and mathematics. Our targeted groups are primary school students, lower form secondary students, and SIBU Vocational Malaysia Year 1 students. Based on our observation, our students face a lot of problems when we are teaching on the topic of surface area. Firstly, 82% of the students could not remember the formula. Meanwhile, 9% of our students substitute the wrong values in the formula. Only 9% of the students could apply the formula and get the correct answers. Below are some examples of problems that students encounter. Problem 1. Students could not remember the formula. They just simply apply any formula that they can remember in problem solving. Problem 2. Students substitute the wrong value in solving surface area questions. Thus, the innovation of TR Board version 2 was done to solve the problems mentioned above. We used these materials to produce TR Board, which only cost RM1.20. Besides that, we have recorded videos on how to use TR Board in the calculation of surface area. Therefore, students can easily scan on the QR code provided for self-learning. Now, what does TR Board means? Well, T stands for transformation. We want to transform all the shapes into the basic shape, that is rectangle. In primary level, we teach our students to count the numbers of boxes to get the surface area of a rectangle. Now, as you can see, in order to solve the surface area questions, our students need to memorize different formula for different surface areas. In finding the area of a triangle, we need to use the formula 1/2 times base times height. Students will ask, why is there a 1/2 at the front? So by using TR Board, we can ask students to prepare two triangles. When these two triangles are put together, it becomes a parallelogram. We can use the sliding door to draw the extended triangle and pull it back to become a rectangle which students are familiar with. From there, students can count the number of boxes to get the surface area of a rectangle. However, the answers that we got is the surface area of two triangles. Therefore, in order to get the surface area of one triangle, we need to divide the answers by 2. And this shows how the formula is created. Next, how to calculate the surface area of a parallelogram? Usually, students will take the wrong side as the height. Now, how to solve this problem? Once again, we put the parallelogram into the TR Board. Pull out the sliding door, then we draw the triangle on the transparent film. After that, drag it to the back to become a rectangle. So now, we count the number of boxes to get the surface area of a parallelogram. So this explains how the formula is created, which is base times height. In finding the surface area of a trapezium, it is difficult for us to explain to students why is there a half, why we need to add A and B in getting the surface area of a trapezium. By using TR Board, it is easier for us to explain to students. Now, first step, we get ready two trapezium. By placing the two trapezium together, it has transformed into a parallelogram. The extended triangle, we draw it on the sliding door. After that, we pull it back and make it into a rectangle. Now, from here, we can explain to the students why is there a half, why we need to add A and B in getting the surface area of a trapezium. Now, what are the usefulness of TR board? First, simplify the teaching and learning process for both teachers and students. Next, allow students to explore surface area formulas based on their background knowledge. Thirdly, allow students to describe the formation of formula with the use of concrete objects. Fourth, students can play while learn. And lastly, students can apply high-level thinking skill. They can form learning aids by using recycled materials too. Next, we are going to show you some video clips which students apply TR board in the classroom.
My name is I'm from the School of Education. I'm a lecturer here at TNS University. I found this innovation very good because it actually gives me an idea on how to teach my students how to teach measurements, especially in areas for different types of quadrilaterals. So, thumbs up.
So that's all for our presentation. Thank you.